I got to my boss office and he was working with this particular worksheet, and in this worksheet he was working with these two different data sets here. This is a separate data and this is also a separate data. Looking at this second data that we have here, we have full name, first name and last name, and when I got there he was trying to extract or type manually these names under the first name and last name. That is, when you take this particular cell which contains Jonas Edu, he was trying to pull Jonas here and also Edu here. When I got there, I told him that we have a simple way, which is a static way of extracting this name in a simple way without any stress, and he quickly asks what is the simple way that we can use to get these particular names extracted to these two columns that we have here, which is first name and also last name. I quickly entered into the conversation by telling my boss that if you try to type this manually, you are going to spend much time, and also you are going to have some associated problems when it comes to the prolonged use of computer. So let me show you a simple way you can use to get your first name and last name out of this data set. So to do this, we are going to select this cell that we have here, which is E2, and we are going to type the first name. Now that we have this particular name type, I'm going to press the enter key and I'm going to use Ctrl+E on the keyboard, and this is going to prompt Excel to extract all first name from this particular cell. So you can see that I have these names extracted from this full name. Now we can do the same thing for the last name. Now that I have this type there, I'm going to press enter key and I'm going to use Ctrl+E on the keyboard, and this is also going to extract the surname from the full name. So you can see that in this static format we have been able to extract the first name and last name from this full name. The reason why we are prompting this particular operation as static, because if I select this and type a new name in this particular cell and press enter key, this is not going to change this first name and last name unless I move to this and type the first name and use the shortcut to have this particular operation done. That is why this is called a static operation for extracting the first name and last name in a particular data set. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to do this in the dynamic way, so stay tuned and be on this platform. Please like, share, comment and get involved for new videos on this particular platform.